Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone. Do you love Studio Ghibli's magical art style? Imagine transforming your own photos into stunning Ghibli-style artwork in just a few simple steps. Today, I'll show you how to create breathtaking Ghibli-inspired art using ChatGPT. Let's get started. Step 1. Download ChatGPT. First, you need to download ChatGPT. I personally use the app version instead of the web version for a smoother experience. Just head over to your app store, search for ChatGPT, and hit downloaders. Step 2. Log in or sign up. Once the app is installed, open it and log in. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is super easy. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be ready to go in no time. Step 3. Create Ghibli art. Now for the fun part. Upload a photo that you want to transform. Once uploaded, type in this prompt, make a Studio Ghibli art. ChatGPT will process your image and work its magic. Step 4, download your image. After a short wait, your Ghibli-style artwork will be ready. If you love how it looks, simply tap download and save it to your device. Now, you have a beautiful hand-drawn masterpiece ready to share. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can bring the charm of Studio Ghibli into your own art. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how your artwork turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next video.